I'd like to thank Chalkola for going through and sending me these washable chalk markers in exchange for an honest review. There are 10 in the box and they're very vibrant colors. You can see here, I'm going to go through and show you the unboxing as well. All the colors are also shown on the side here. You also have more of a dull or more of a bold tip, and you can flip it around. So that's a pretty cool feature. Let's go through and show you the unboxing, and then I'll show you some work we've done. So here you can see us opening up. It does come sealed, and it does have 10 markers. And like I said, there are a whole bunch of different colors, including gold and silver. These will erase on non-porous surfaces like glass, mirrors, chalkboard, wet and dry. But on certain things like wood, for example, it will be permanent. So keep that in mind. To go through and use them, first thing you want to shake the marker. After you shake the marker, you want to push the tip down and now go through and kind of get it moving. Then after that, you're just going to put it to the paper, whatever you're writing on, and kind of pump it a bit. So you're just going to keep going up and down for a bit until you're able to start writing. Once you can write, then you'll be fine and you'll be good to go. For any reason in the future you need to get these done again, all you got to do is repeat this process and you should be fine. So if they're not used for a while, when you are done using them, make sure you cap them though. They'll definitely keep the lifespan going. Here are some works that have been created with the markers so you can get a cool idea of what's available. And you can pretty much use these on anything you'd like. You know, it doesn't just have to be chalkboards. It could be glass, it could be LED boards, classroom displays, or you could do it permanently on things like paper and construction paper as well. Overall, I think they're a great idea. They're pretty solid and they just work. So I definitely do recommend these.